This is a very special edition studio vlog. Stick around to find out why. Welcome to the channel, my friends. Sarah here. Today we have a very special edition vlog, and that is preparing for Mother's Day. So I've got my mama shirt on, my supplies that we are going to need to make this very special gift set, and let's just go ahead and get right into it. This is really the first year that I feel confident in making a holiday specific, or a holiday themed item. I do have a couple of events coming up, and I will be taking finalized sets of these along with me. First things first. These are so cute. These top slide gift boxes. These are most adorable. I'm sorry guys, I'm like so sweaty right now. I don't know why. These are the boxes that we are going to use. Okay, I guess I should have showed you those second because probably doesn't quite make sense yet, but I got a dozen of everything. So we will be making 12 box sets. And also, I know, you don't even have to say it, I already know. How cute. Oh. Look at how adorable. And this, the matte cream, is the size that I always offer on, or I'm sorry, the color that I always offer on my website. So we've got 12 of those, and 12 of these. So I got some crackling mini wicks for my set here, for my sets. In case you haven't noticed, did I even tell you what we're doing for Mother's Day this year? As you can tell by these different components, we are making a 3-candle gift set that we will be marketing at upcoming events as a gift to all of the wonderful mothers in the world. Again, I only got enough to make 12 sets, so if I have any extra, I'll put them on my website, but I don't intend to. I intend to have this as a special in-person gift set only. So the other thing I have in here is a big slab of wax. Mop one up really quick. Okay, so we have our box. Then we'll have one. I'm gonna put cream in the middle, black, white. They fit in there very nicely. Okay, then the little thing. Then there's this is my own, don't do that, it's gonna slide out the bottom. My finishing touch would be this ribbon, my logoed ribbon wrapped around, like with a little bow action. Okay, it's been approximately 5 minutes and I'm already, look, the hair is like, I feel like a poodle. Or what are those dogs that have like the little ponytail right here? Is that a Bichon Frise or something like that? Is that a Bichon Frise? There's no possible way I'm saying that right. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. All right, it's been approximately 5 minutes. I have my entire plan. Obviously, I put a lot of forethought into this, but then as soon as I sat down, I wasn't like I was prepared, but I was like, ugh. My thought was to offer a like morning, afternoon, evening type scent profile for this gift set. So for the morning, we're gonna go Bright Sunshine Classic. There is no better morning time fragrance than Bright Sunshine, unless you were to have a coffee fragrance, but I actually don't have one, and I have been thinking about it. So if you know of a really good coffee fragrance, please let me know. I'm in the market for it. So Bright Sunshine for the morning. Then afternoon, we already talked about My Home Sweet Home. For the evening is Baccarat from Simbi. Y'all know I do love a Simbi fragrance. Should have a little counter up in the corner of things that I know I'm mispronouncing. That would be funny. Yeah, this is gonna be perfect. This is gonna be perfect for it. Okay. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the prepping and pouring of these candles. Here's the breakdown of the sets so far. I made 12 sets. Sorry I didn't get any pouring footage, but I actually wanted to last minute take them to an event. So I had one of those panic pouring moments. But what I ended up doing was I took 6 sets to that market. I ended up selling 4 there. So I took 3 to stock at my first retail space, which story time coming soon. And then I have actually 2 left back here. One of them is accounted for. We'll see what happens, whether or not I am able to sell all 12 of them before Mother's Day comes. I hope I can. I only have a couple left, so that's pretty exciting. I'm excited about it. I feel like it was definitely worth doing, and you know, would highly recommend. I don't think I'll do this again in the fall or like a winter. I do plan on doing quite a few winter events like Christmas holiday pop-ups. And I have something else in mind for that, which we'll talk about in an upcoming video. So I'm going to end it there. I hope you all have an excellent day. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there, whether you're a fur mom or a person mom. Person mom? What is that? A person? It's not a person mom. A mother of people? I don't know. Hopefully you enjoyed this look at me, I'm blushing. Hopefully you enjoyed this behind the scenes and how I created my Mother's Day gift set. And I will see you in the next video.